Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your home Wi-Fi with NETGEAR, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin securing your home Wi-Fi with NETGEAR, start by connecting to your network. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in the default IP address for NETGEAR routers, which is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.1. Press enter and you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you haven't changed them, the default username is admin and the password is password. After logging in, navigate to the wireless section in the settings menu. Here, you'll find options to change your Wi-Fi network name or SSID. Choose a unique SSID that reflects your preferences but does not personally identify you. Next, scroll down to the security options. Select WPA2PSK as the security mode for optimal protection. Create a strong passphrase that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Keep the passphrase at least 12 characters long for better security. After entering your new password, make sure to save your changes. Next, look for the guest network option in the settings. If you want to allow guests to use your Wi-Fi, enable the guest network but ensure it has its own secure password. In the security settings, you should also find an option to enable or disable WPS. I recommend disabling WPS for added security. Once all changes are made, reboot your router to apply the new settings. Finally, make a habit of regularly checking your network settings. Ensure no unauthorized devices are connected to your network by reviewing the Attached Devices section. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your home Wi-Fi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.